Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the letter writing that is going to come in your midterm exam, and also you will get the PDF of the two letters that I am going to explain in today's date itself. Out of two letters, that is formal and informal, you will get any one in your exam. So you have to prepare both the letters, that is formal and informal anyhow. Now students, before proceeding, I would like to start with letter writing. That is, what is letter writing? It is the exchange of written or printed messages, and also it is an essential skills. Nowadays, after getting mobile phones, nobody like to write letters. Am I correct, students? Yes, but everyone has to write letters at some point. Like letters of complaints, job applications, thank you letters, letters requesting changes or making suggestions. You have to write letter at some point. Okay, now come to second one, that is how many types of letter. Here today we are going to learn the two types, that are formal and informal. So first I would like to tell you about formal. What is formal letter? In a formal letter, the style of writing and the tone of the letter are official. The style of writing and the tone of the letter are official. Now we usually write for official purpose. For example, if you are writing a letter to your principal, to collector, to editor, to manager, to director, then you have to follow the format of formal letter. Now let's come to the questions. First one, see this formal letter writing, in which the question will be like this: write an application to the principal for 5 days leave. The question will be, write an application to the principal for 5 days leave. So this will be the question. And first, keep in your mind one thing, that whatever you are going to write, students, just begin with left hand side. Like here I have started by left hand side, so you also have to start with left hand side, okay? And start very next to the margin. Whatever you will write, just start very next to the margin. So on first line you will write the date, that is on which date you are writing. Suppose I am writing today, that is 4th October 2020. So I have written over here the date, today's date, that is 4th October 2020. Then you have to leave one line after this. After leaving one line, students, you have to write the principal. As the question is given that you have to write an application to the principal, so I have written over here the principal. So first, in very first line, you will write the date and leave one line, then write the principal. After writing this, again you have to leave, no need to leave any line. After writing the principal, and next to that you will write the name of your school. Here you will write the name of your school. After writing the name, what you will write? The address over here. Address here you will write first name. What the name of your school? Here you will write Jyoti Higher Secondary English Medium School. And then in the next line you will write the address, that is Charoda. Here you can see, students, I have completed the format. The half one, that is starting one, that is first I have written date, and then this the principal, then the name of your school, and the next line is address. And again the very next line to it you have to leave one line. After leaving one line, just write subject. What is the subject here? An application for 5 days leave. What you will write? Application for 5 days leave. After writing the subject, leave one line. Here you have to leave one line. After leaving one line, then you have to write sister. Sister, after writing the sister, and what is a sister? Sister, if you are writing here or sir or ma'am, it means this is a salutation. It is a kind of greeting, okay, with which the sender opens the letter. So after writing this sister, again you have to leave one line. I am giving the arrow. It means, students, you have to leave lines here. So you are leaving line. Just remember this. The format will be like this only for formal letter writing. So first we have gone through this date, and then the principal, the name of the school, the address of the school, and then subject, and then salutation. After this sister, just leave one line. After leaving line, what you have to do? Then your content will start. Here the content will start, that is content, or I can even say body, in which it will come like whatever your name, like my name is Reshma Sharma. So what I will write over here, I am Reshma Sharma, student of class 6th. Your class you will write. It will contain your class and section, that is whatever section in which you are studying. First you will write your name in the content, that I am Reshma Sharma, student of class 6th A, and then you will write the reason that why you are taking leaves or why you have taken leaves. So I have been suffering from fever since 5 days and hence couldn't attend school from. Date you will write, like today's date is 4th October. So 4th October I am writing here, and the subject is, the question over here is write an application for 5 days leave. So here we have to see that we have to start from today's date, that is 4th October. So here I have written this 4th October 2020 to whatever the date. You will count from 4, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 8. You have to write 8 October 2020. I therefore request you to treat my absence as leave. Okay, now I am also enclosing a medical certificate to your kind consideration. It means all these things will come under this content, this body. And after this, after completing this body, you will leave one line and you will write thanking you, yours sincerely. You can write sincerely, faithfully, obediently, and also truly. You can write anything like yours sincerely, faithfully, obediently, and then here signature After signature, your name should be there. So, what is the format of the formal letter writing? If the question will be like this, write an application for 5 days leave to your principal. So first you will start with the date. Here I have written date. Today's date. If you are writing today, you will write today's date. You have taken leave from today, so you will write today's date. So I have written over here today's date, and next to that you have to leave one line. After that, the principal and the name of the school, and then very next line is address. After this again you will leave one line. Then the next line, subject. What is the subject? Application for 5 days leave. Sister. Sister is a kind of salutation. It is a kind of greeting. Okay, you have sister in your school, but in other school they have sir or ma'am, so they will write simple sir or ma'am. And after this, in the body, what will come? I said you that your name and your class, section, and the reason you will write, that why you have taken leave and why you are going to take leave. And then the 4th October, 5 days we are talking about here, 5 days leave. It means you will start from today's date and you will end up to 5, that is 8 here. And then the last one is subscription, thanking you, yours sincerely, faithfully, obediently, as I said. And then signature of yours and name of yours. So here we have completed the formal letter writing, and next let's come to informal letter writing. What is informal letter writing, students? We usually write informal letter to friends or relatives. The tone of the letter is casual and friendly when we are writing this informal letter. Now let's see the question. The question will be like this. So informal letter question will be, write a letter to your friend inviting him or her to spend summer holidays. So how will you start? The format will be like this. First you will write sender's address over here. First you will start writing the sender's address, and who is sender? You yourself, your address you have to write. Like if I want to write my address, I will just write simply like 16A Mayur Vihar, New Delhi. Whatever the address you are leaving, you are staying, that address you have to write. Sender's address. Okay. Now, just leave one line after writing this address. Now, next one. After leaving one line, you have to write the date. Like today's date, we know 4th October 2020, today's date. After writing this date, again leave one line. After leaving your line, you will write dear and your friend's name here. Like I'm writing Arnav. So this is a kind of salutation I'm giving here. Greeting I'm giving here, dear Arnav. Your friend's name to whom you want to invite, that name you have to write here. After writing this, content body, leave one line. In content body, here it will contain 3 paragraphs. Like first introductory paragraph, that is, in that you will explain the reason of writing a letter. that why you are writing a letter, because you want him or her to spend holidays, summer holidays with you. So in first paragraph you will include that. I'm writing here that one will be introductive paragraph, and after this the main body will be included, the main body in which topic you are going to written this letter. Okay, in which topic you are going to write this letter, you will write in main body. And the third thing you have to remember this is conclusion. In conclusion, what you will write? Give my regards and give love to your wishes to your parents. Like this you will write in a conclusion. And the last one, after giving conclusion, you will leave one line. Like here, after putting the full stop, you will start from this, leave one line, and then yours lovingly, that is complimentary closure. You will close like this by writing yours lovingly or yours affectionately, both are same. You will write like this, and at last your name. So students, in informal letter writing, what we have noticed that first we have to write the sender's address. Sender's address, it means you will write your address, you are the senders, and to those to whom you are writing this letter, he or she is a receiver. So you will write your address. Okay, after this you have to leave one line, then date. After date, again one line you have to leave. Then dear Arnav, here salutation will come, greeting, and then leave one line. Then start writing the content of the letter, that includes introductive paragraph and main body, and then at last conclusion. In conclusion, what you will write? Like convey my regards to uncle and auntie and give my love to your younger brother, like this. And at last, in complimentary closure, you will write like this, that is yours lovingly, yours affectionately, and at last end with the name. Now students, you will get both the application and the PDF form. Check the website and please note it down in your copy. Anyone will come in your exam. Thank you students.